Let's see mom's reaction.
भाई लड़की वापस आई है. हाय सक्षम.
कैसे हो आप?
I am definitely not in the best of my performance today. Periods have come in. Today's day 2 and I thought I'll do a little bit of yoga, but it's so cold inside and my body is just not ready. So I think I'll go and sit outside, maybe stretch a bit more. You can literally hear it in my voice that I am feeling so weak. This is what happens when we girls are on a schedule and then periods come in. Because hey, why, bro? What about boys? Nothing. He's out there training his strength training session, and I'm here suffering in pain. But it is what it is. We have our gifts. We have our not so gifty gifts. So let's see what he's doing. In his routine. This is so unfair.
क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
ये कैट को कब से पेट की तरह वॉक पे ले जाने लग गए हैं लोग. I've never seen this. Is crazy. Bye bye.
ये क्यों मिला आपको बताओ?
Because I'm too cute.
सही वाली स्टोरी बताओ.
क्योंकि I am too hot.
इनने सैंडविच देने में 1 घंटा लगा दिया.
सैंडविच देने में 1 घंटा लगा दिया.
सैंडविच देने में 1 घंटा लगा दिया. गिल्ट ट्रिप के मारे दिया इन लोगों ने.
इसलिए अब हम जा रहे हैं वेरोनिका.
तो इसलिए जा रहे हैं फ्लाइट बर्गर खाने वेरोनिकास. वहाँ पे देयर इज वन शॉप, नाम है उसका कुनाल. कुनाल ने बोला वो है नहीं, तो हम ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं उसके एब्सेंस में वेरोनिकास एक बर्गर खाने. नाम है उसका
बर्गर खाने.
बुर्गर खाने और फ्लॉइड बुर्गर खाने.
इंटरनेशनल एथलीट का जो ये चलता है ना डाइट.
ट्रेनर ने बोला है
लो,
मिसोमॉर्फ लोग कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, उनके शरीर में
क्यों बोल रहा है वो. अच्छा खासा जब उन्होंने करके रखा हुआ है.
I'm heading back to Delhi to meet my family after 4.5 months. The meeting of family of 4.5 months. So let's see their reaction. Let's see mom's reaction. Welcome back to Delhi.
Finally, I am in my room and I am all ready to go for my shoot for which I'm here in Delhi. Multiple things are happening, but I've just landed a couple of hours back and I am ready to go to the shoot location. So happy to be back in my room. I am gonna not change, simply go as I am. Redid my face a little bit, put on a little bit of makeup so that I look presentable and some accessories. Let's go, the cab is here. भाई लड़की वापस आई है. जा भी रही है वापस. लेट्स गो. ओके बाय बाय. चली सवारी.
कहाँ?
शूट पे अब देखते हैं, रात को वापस आएंगे.
All the best.
The weather in Delhi is good as well. ऐसा बारिश जैसा तो नहीं, but at least it's not sunny. Bye bye. So as I was saying, I'm going for a shoot. मैंने ये नहीं बताया कि क्या है किसके साथ है. But before that, I'm having my lunch. मैं airport से सीधा घर आई. मुझे खाना खाने का time नहीं मिला. I just had a cup of tea with mom, just catching up on stuff. Mama has made me a lovely fruit bowl with some mango, oats, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, some sunflower seeds, etc., etc., and a lot of mommy's love. So I am shooting with this brand called Elio Viron. They're pretty new in the market, and it's kind of their launch shoot. And this is a pretty big campaign because it's not just for like one reel or one post, but it's like an entire campaign for their website, for their socials, for other platforms which they're gonna use for their e-commerce platforms. So pretty exciting. It's all about shapewears, innerwears, your lovely bodycon dresses. So I'm pretty excited about it. But what I'm more excited about is the person that I'm shooting with, which is Saksha. Now, those who've been following me know Saksham. We have shot a lot of stuff back in 2021-22, especially during Devi Ka time, where we shot music videos, Chandi Chawla podcast, a lot of reels, dance videos. So that was a fun time. And he opened up a studio in Gurgaon by the name Ray by the White Space Studio, and unfortunately I could not attend the launch party there, but now I'm gonna go and literally shoot at every nook and corner in that studio because it is beautiful. I've seen pictures, so I'm so excited that today I'll be shooting there. I'll see you around. I'll take you through all the BTS and all the fun behind the scenes, so stay tuned. Hi Saksham,
कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया, White Space.
अंदर से लेते हैं थोड़ा केटरिंग पे.
ये तुम्हारी लगा हुआ है क्या? है? आज के लिए? Wow, Sakshi must become all professional and all with full catering. Oh wow, bro, this is good.
This is good.
This is a full big
Production
studio. Yeah, I am amazed. Very very good.
आप मेरे छोटे स्टूडियो में तो आए भी नहीं अभी तक.
द्वारका के पास है?
नहीं नहीं वो सामने ही है.
Look at that. Look at that. Everything is like prep and ready. Oh wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. We have this setup. It's huge. This is how the pictures are turning. Beauty. This is the mood board. Oh, we're going very skim vibes. I like it. I like it. Looks very very chic. So this is what I am going to wear. Really love this vibe. Like boss lady. Pretty. Honestly, when I'm shooting with Saksham, it just feels like having fun. ये वो कौन सा था शोले में धर्मेंद्र और क्या उनका नाम होता है?
जय वीरू.
जय और वीरू. एक कैमरा छोड़ता दूसरा पकड़ लेता है. Slight change in the hairstyle. Looks great. This is the first look with a black bodysuit. Love it. Let's go. क्या बोला?
क्या बोला मैंने? कौन बोला? कौन बोला? क्या बोला मैंने?
क्या है?
क्या बोला मैंने?
हो गया ना?
नहीं नहीं एक शॉट रहा. ऐसे कैसे? वर्क इज वर्शिप.
कर कर. पीछे देख के कर. फुल आना चाहिए.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
अच्छा ना मतलब
20% रहते हो. T20 रहते हो ना आप बॉम्बे में. वहाँ आप गाड़ी चलाते नहीं हो, आपको पता नहीं पेट्रोल डला बहुत टाइम हो गया होगा.
रिक्शा भैया जिंदाबाद. बोल तो सही अब.
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? पैकअप.
डन. सो सक्षम ऐसे हुस्न परी जाने जहाँ सबसे सब
तुम हुस्न परी तुम जाने जहाँ तुम सबसे है तुम सबसे जहाँ सौंदर्य साबुन निर्मा. आगे भी एक लाइन लिखी है वो भी पढ़. मेरे को याद था भाई.
तो कैसा लगा आपको मेरे साथ शूट करके?
बहुत मजा आया. बहुत टाइम बाद शूट किया.
4 साल
4 साल किया वो वीडियो याद है मैं ठीक है
जो बहुत लोगों ने बोला
मैंने तो सुन के आपको भैया आपको 10 एक दिन पहले वीडियो दिखाई थी ना वो जिंदा शूट से कुछ नहीं था वैसे रैंडम भैया के पास कोई रील है उस पे गाना चल रहा था
हम दोनों का वो वीडियो बन गया।
हाँ फिर मैंने मेरे को याद है मैं कहा भैया वीडियो दिखाता हूँ आपको
कैसा लगा?
बहुत मजा आया
मजा आया। 4 साल बाद भी वही मजा बरकरार है। We are finally done with the shoot. It's a pack up. Time to go home to my fam. आज सुबह सुबह आई मैं, flew down, and now we are done with this shoot. I had a lovely time. It was fun. We were dancing, chilling, girls' nights, and looking pretty. So it was fun. I have fun. But now I'll change and head back home. And chill with my family जिनको इतने टाइम बाद मिल रही हूँ. Wow, my hair look really nice. Like this lighty. Oof. Finally back home. Finally, I am back home. So happy to be back. I'm super tired. I'm just gonna take off my makeup and my lenses and just get ready to jump on that and take a nice sleep. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun flying all the way from Mumbai to my city, Delhi, to shoot a campaign for a brand. And tomorrow, as I mentioned, is again going to be hectic. But it's fun. Things are going well. You haven't seen my room because I've never really given you a room tour. But this is how it is. I've made it in the form of a studio. I have my library back there and my trophies right there. And this is me. Okay, signing off. Good night. Take care. Shubh Ratri, Shab Bakhair. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. Bye bye.